right, so it's me here again. Hope you all are doing well today. So today we're going to be doing a road tour to one of our listings at Bedroom Ikeja. It's a new project. So I have a lot of real estate investors who have been seeking for properties in the Ikeja axis, and this road tour basically will help you understand the location. Right now, I can show them around. I am at the Ikoyi Lake Bridge. This is the Simpson Street Bridge. I'm on our way now, so we'll be accessing the Third Milan Bridge. So on this tour, it's going to be something that is very massive. It's something that you obviously don't want to do. So in case you're coming across this channel, this is what we do. We do property tour a lot, and today we're going to be showing you something. It's a 3-bedroom terrace duplex in the heart of Ikeja, Oregon precisely. And in case you have missed it, so we have it on payment plan. If you're paying within 3 to 4 months, it's 180 million. And if you're paying within 6 months, it's 190. Then if you want to pay within 1 year, it's 200. Yes, of course, you know, a lot of things are happening in the market, more importantly inflation. So the longer you wait, but I love the fact that it's in a secured area, and a lot of people are kind of anticipating as I am. Please look at the bridge. So we are gradually going towards the Third Milan Bridge. So just sit down, relax, enjoy this tour as we go. All right, my beautiful viewers, investors abroad in Nigeria. You know, I said I will be giving you investment opportunities. So we are inside Ogba. As you can see, this is a well-planned, serene, secured. Talk about all the adjectives. Look at around. So this is inside Ogba. Okay, so we are here at Meadows Palace, which is one of the best investments here in Ogba, Lagos, mainland. From here to the is in close proximity to the airport. Talk about Sheraton Hotel. Talk about Le Meridian. You know how central Ogba Ikeja is, and the project is presently at the first phase. Now we have just 3 units available, so it's for the fastest finger. So before I bring in the engineer, I'm just going to tell you about the pricing. You can get a unit of 3-bedroom terrace with a BQ for 180 million. You might be asking why 180 million. Look at the environment. See, this is a CCTV camera. This place is well planned, well secured, and it's a good. So I have here one of our engineer who will be telling you more about it. Of course, there's a 1-year payment plan available, but you know, the longer the payment plan now, the longer. So your name, sir?
Samuel.
Okay, this is engineer Samuel on site. So please just tell our investors.
So this is Meadows Palace Ogba. So we are building a
Can we go
5 units. It's coming. 5 units, 3-bedroom, 5 units apartments with BQ.
Okay, 5 units. Okay,
yes.
With BQ.
Yes, and this place is secured. There are security cameras around,
so
that there's security around. So
should we go through this place because
we can pass through here.
Okay.
So this is the car park here.
Okay. So the car park can take like how many cars?
Yeah, 2 cars.
2 cars comfortably.
Okay. We're driving here. Car parks are here.
Okay.
So we get to the entrance.
Okay.
So we have our ante room here.
Okay, so this is the ante room.
Yes, yeah, ante room here.
Okay, this is going to be ante room.
Yeah,
so the sitting room is upstairs.
Yes.
Oh,
first floor.
The sitting room is on the first floor. Wow.
So we have our visitors toilet here.
Visitors toilet is here. Okay.
Then a guest bedroom here.
Guest bedroom.
We have a guest bedroom downstairs here.
Okay.
The toilet and bathroom and suite.
Very nice.
Yeah. So
okay,
bathroom is up here, everything.
Okay.
So at the back we have our BQ
The
also.
BQ. Okay.
We have our BQ. So we have our BQ here also.
Okay. Okay.
So,
behind here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Five BQs.
5 BQs, all at the back.
All at the back.
Okay.
For each apartment. Everybody secure. No interference with the next.
Okay. Okay. So there's a demarcation, like what I'm seeing now.
Yes, there'll be a demarcation here. Here we blocked.
Okay. So everybody will have their own access. Okay.
No access to the other building or interference or anything.
Okay. So the demarcation is more or less like this.
Yes, like this.
Okay. Okay.
So it's going up the slab.
Okay, going over the slab. Oh,
yes.
Awesome.
Everything will be covered.
Awesome. So what is the title on this property, and do we have a building approval? Because you know how Lagos State government is.
Yes. Can we have building approval for everything. We've done everything before we even started.
Oh, this is the mainland. So Lagos.
So everything is.
So this place is even more like open now. So we can look at this is the ante
room. Yeah. So the stairs will be there.
Okay, there'll be stairs that take us. So the sitting room is upstairs.
Yeah, and the kitchen.
And the kitchen is upstairs. Wow.
So the second floor there will be the master bedroom.
And
the madam's bedroom.
Yes, okay.
Very big and spacious bedroom.
Okay.
Upstairs.
Okay. So this is what the guest room looks like. Okay. Awesome. I like what I've seen. So basically right now it's still at the construction stage. So the investors may not get to see, but from what I've seen so far, it's awesome. Thank you very much, engineer. Thank you very much. You're welcome. So let's just for my real estate investor who is really interested in a good property in the city. Now, one of the things many people don't understand is that the Lagos mainland is mostly underrated because many people don't know the actual value of properties here, and this is just one of the reasons why. Look at the serenity. It's a call to access environment. It's not like you can just go in the way you like. As you can see, it's very nice. So the project basically has a payment plan, but one thing about the payment plan is that the longer it is, a unit for between 0 to 3 months is selling for 180 million naira, and legal and documentation is just 5%, and that's all. So if you also want to do a 6-month payment plan, it's 190 million. If you want to do a 1-year payment plan, it's 200 million. So the longer the payment plan, the longer the interest. So I believe you've seen the project, and it's well planned. The structure is very massive, and if you are my investor, I would just advise, take this corner piece. Look at the space you are going to enjoy, and of course there's another corner. Of course, other units are also, they're also nice, but I just love what I've seen. This is the project, and the building approval number is available. The title document is available. You know, if you know good, I know the carry and come. And this is just one of the best real estate investments. And I was even privileged to be the one showing you this opportunity, because you see, on the mainland, you don't get to see investment opportunities like this. So the way it's going to be is that we're going to have the ante room, the visitors room, and the kitchen, and every other thing will be downstairs. The sitting room is upstairs, the master bedroom is upstairs. Of course, the architectural masterpiece is very standard. So this is Ogba Ikeja Lagos, Nigeria. So for more information about this, give me a call. Bye for now.